Hey everyone, in this video I will show you how you can create add list folder in Telegram. It means you can add some chats, some groups, some pages in a single chat and you can add more in that single chat. So for that, just open your Telegram account. Just click on top left side, you can see there are three horizontal lines. Just simply click on these three horizontal lines and just click on settings. In setting you can scroll down and here you will find an option called chat folders. Here you can see, just click on this chat folders. Now here click on create new folder. When you click on this, at the top you can see the option called folder name. Just give them a folder name. Let's suppose I give them chat folder. When you give this name, just simply click on add chats. Within included chats you can option called add chats. Simply click on add chats. Now here you can add some contacts, some groups, some pages which you want. Let's suppose I will choose some groups. So when you click groups, just simply click on this option, and now here you can see we have added two groups in our chat folder. Now just simply click on this. You can see at the top right side there option called save. Just simply click on this save. When you click on save, now here you can see our folder has been created. Just click on this, scroll down, and here at the bottom you can see option called create an invite link. Just click on this and you will get a link. Just copy and paste that link or share that link with anyone that you want to add in this chat.